Hello everyone, I am S. Devi Chitra, Assistant Professor from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today I am going to discuss you about page replacement algorithms in operating system. So, before we get into the topic of page replacement algorithms, we have to know some basic definitions, that is memory management techniques. So, memory management techniques is divided into two types: contiguous memory allocation and non-contiguous memory allocation. So, contiguous memory allocation, memory is allocated continuously. Non-contiguous memory allocation, memory is not allocated continuously. So, contiguous memory allocation is again divided into fixed partition or static, variable partition or dynamic. Again, the non-contiguous memory allocation is divided into paging, multi-level paging, inverted paging, segmentation and segmented paging. So, in today's class we are going to focus on this paging. Okay. So, before that we have to know some terminologies. Paging. Paging is a memory management technique in which the operating system is divided the logical memory into fixed size blocks called pages, and the physical memory is divided into fixed size blocks called frames. Next, page replacement. Page replacement is a mechanism which is used by an operating system to remove the pages which is no longer needed. Then swapping. Swapping is a concept which is used for moving the pages from main memory to secondary memory and from secondary memory to the main memory. Then page fault or page miss. So, suppose if a process tries to access a page, that page is not loaded into the main memory, in that case it is called as page fault or page miss. Page hit. Whenever process tries to access a page, that page is currently in the main memory, it is called as page hit. Okay. There are three necessary conditions where we are going to use this page replacement algorithms. Or in first case, if there is no free frames are available in the main memory, in that case we are using the page replacement algorithms. Next, suppose a program requests a page, that page is not available in the main memory, in that case also we are using the page replacement algorithms. Then in third case, an existing page, a victim page no longer needed in the main memory, in that case also we can swapping the existing page and we can use the make a room for the new page. In that case also we should use the page replacement algorithms. So, we have four different types of page replacement algorithms. They are FIFO, that is first in first out page replacement algorithm, optimal page replacement algorithm, LRU, that is least recently used page replacement algorithm, and MRU, that is most recently used page replacement algorithm. We will discuss all the algorithms one by one. So, first in first out page replacement algorithm, you all already familiar with this page replacement, familiar with this algorithm, because the first in first out algorithm is a very simple page replacement algorithm. In this page replacement algorithm, operating system keeps track of all the pages in the memory in the queue, and the oldest pages is in the front of the queue. Suppose if a process needs a page that is not present in the memory, in that case that page in the front of the queues is selected for removal. Next we are going to see a simple example. Okay. Consider a page reference strings. They have given some page reference strings with 3 page frames. We are going to find out the number of page faults using first in first out page replacement algorithm. Here they have already given the 3 page frames. So I am going to keep the 3 page frames and going to insert these page reference string inside the page frames. So first page frames is 1. So 1 is, consider that 1 is not present in the main memory. I am going to fix this 1 here. So I am going to name it as page miss or page fault. So next one is string 3. 3 is also not present in the main memory. So I am going to fix 3 here. So it is considered as page miss or page fault. So next one is 3. 3 is also not present in the main memory at that time. I am going to fix 0 here. So it is considered as page fault or page miss. So next string is 3. So see, check here, 3 is already present in the frame. So no need to replace any page. So already 3 is present. So it is considered as page hit. So next number is 5. So check whether the 5 is present in the page frame or not. 5 is not present in the frame. So I am going to replace any frame with this 5. So according to this first in first out page replacement algorithm, so first inserted is 1. So I am going to replace 1 instead of 5. So I am going to, instead of 1, I am going to replace 5. And remaining numbers we can keep as it is. So it is called as page fault. So next one, number 6. 6 is also not present in the frame. So I am going to replace any number. So here already 1 is replaced. Now after that, based on the algorithm first in first out, I am going to replace 3. So instead of 3, I am going to replace 6. So it is called as page fault or page miss. So the last string is 3. Check whether 3 is available in the frame. 3 is not available in the frame. So I am going to replace 0. Instead of 0, I am going to replace 3 and fix it here, and this is also called as page miss or page fault. The question they have asked, find the number of page faults using FIFO. So we have to count how many page miss are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total number of page fault occur here is 6 based on the first in first out page replacement algorithm. So next we are going to see the advantages and disadvantages of the first in first out. So advantages, which is very simple to implement and understand, and less overhead, and finally fair resource allocation. So fairness of all the pages have equal chances have been replaced. So disadvantages, its effectiveness is very low, and if there is more number of frames are there, it leads to the more number of page faults occurs, which is called as Beladi's anomaly. Next we move on to the second type of page replacement algorithm, that is optimal page replacement algorithm. So optimal page replacement algorithm, which replace the page that will not be used for the longest period of time. Let us take a simple example. Here I have considered the page references 7, 0, 1, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4 and so on. With here I have mentioned as 4 page frame, and also we have to find the number of page fault. So I have considered here as 4 page frame. I am going to fix all these page references in this frames. Okay. First one, initially I am going to fix 7. 7 is not present in the memory, so I am going to fix here, consider as page miss. So next number is 0. 0 I am going to fix here because 0 is not present in the memory, so it is considered as page miss. And the next string is 1. 1 is also not present, so it is considered as page miss. And the next case is 2, 2 is also not present, so here also it is considered as page miss. So next number is 0, 0 I am going to fix. So check whether the 0 is already present in the frame or not. 0 is already present in the frame, so no need to replace any page. Here I can consider as page hit. Okay. Next number is 3 and also check 3. 3 is already present in the frame or not. 3 is not present in the frame, so I am going to replace one frame for the 3. So according to that, replace the page that will not be used for the longest period of time. Here check whether which number is no longer user. Here we can, while checking this, here go to this right hand side, you can see this number 7 is no longer used for the longer period of time. So instead of 7, I am going to replace 3. So it is called as page fault. Then move on to the next string. We can see 0. 0 is already present in the frame, so no need to replace any frame. So it is called as hit. The next one is 4. See here, 4 is not present at 2, 1, 0, 3. So 4 is not present in the frame. So I am going to replace the not longer used string, that is, instead of, here check here, 7 already we have replaced. If I take 0 means 0 is already used, so no need to replace that. Then we can take 1. 1 is no longer used. Okay. So I am going to replace, instead of 1, I am going to fix 4. Here it is considered as page fault. So next frame is 2. So check whether 2 is already present in the frame. So it is considered as page hit. So next frame is, next string is 3. 3 is already present here. So it is also considered as page hit. So next one is 0. 0 also present, and 3 also already present, and 2, 3. Consequently, they are all considered as page hit and no page fault occurs. So we have to find the total number of page fault occur using optimal page replacement algorithm. So count the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total number of page fault occurs here is 6. Next we are going to see the advantages and disadvantages of the optimal page replacement algorithm. So advantages, it is good efficiency and less complexity when compared to the FIFO, and it is a simple data structure which can be easily implemented. And disadvantages, it will take more time consuming and difficult for error handling, and but it is not possible for every time. Okay. So third algorithm we are going to see is least recently used algorithm. Here the pages will be replaced which is least recently used. See here, same example with the same number of page frames. Here I am going to replace the replace a string which is least recently used. See here, 7 is not there, so it is considered as page fault, and 0 is not there, so it is page miss, and 1 is not there, so it is considered as page fault, and 2 is also not in the memory, so it is also considered as page miss. Next one is 0. So 0 is already present in this frame, so no need to replace any page, so it is considered as page hit. So next string is 3. See here 3. See here 3 is not present in this string, so we are going to replace any string with the 3 which is least recently used, right? Least recently used, we can see from this side, which is least recently used. So 7 is least recently used. So instead of 7, I am going to fix 3. So it is considered as page fault. So next one is 0. 0 is already present in the frame, so no need to replace, it is considered as page hit. And next one is 4. So 4 is not present in this frame, so I am going to replace any string that is least recently used. See here 0, well take 0, 0 is already used, right? So next one is 1, instead of 1 I am going to replace 4. So it is considered as page fault or page miss. So move on to the next numbers. We can see 2 is already present in the frame and 3 is also already present in the frame. 0, 3, 2, 3, these all the strings are already present in the frame, so it is called as page hit. While counting the number of page faults, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total number of page fault occurs here is 6. Okay. In today's class, we have discussed 3 types of page replacement algorithm, that is first in first out, optimal page replacement, and finally least recently used algorithms. Remaining algorithm we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.